Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Fatal from the Attacks Gym, assistant coach Fatal. Just want to show you my quick corn here. That was a part of a project for my niece, and I decided to continue growing it for her. Up here we have the top of the corn. These are the male part. This is the part that pollinates. The bottom part, which is the female portion, this part becomes the corn. So as the wind blows, the pollen will come down and it'll sprinkle on these hairs, and these hairs will become your corn. There'll probably be another one here and then another corn down here probably as well. But what you can do is, if you do not have these hairs yet and this part produces first before this, you can put it in a Ziploc baggie and then get yourself like you can catch the pollen in a Ziploc baggie, and once you catch it, you can also store it in the fridge until these produce, and then you can stimulate this on your own, meaning you'll take the pollen that you collected in the bag, you'll get something like a paintbrush or some type of brush, and you want to make sure you stroke every single strand of these with the paintbrush, because every single strand you see here will become a kern on the corn. You know, that's a little bit of gardening stuff we got here. And in my hole I also have some organic matter that I took from that tree. A lot of leaves I also stuck in that hole with some worm casting and some other soil that I had, so that as the soil decomposes and stuff, it'll always be nutrition for the tree. Anyway, that's just our gardening tip for right now. You guys have a good day. Ashante Shanta.